Good evening traders, welcome to 200forexpips.com. Guys, in this video I'm going to give the analysis for the expert advisor. There will be the review for the expert advisor. So first of all guys, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it, and also do not forget to press the notification button so that you can keep on getting the forex trading analysis from my side. So guys, this is the Access Real 11 account, and you can see that we are working on a smaller account and we are trying to grow it up. And guys, we are using expert advisor here, and guys, you can see currently the trades that are triggered till now are this, and I'm also doing some sort of manual trading, but very less, because mostly I'm relying on the report, and the report is working perfectly fine. Okay guys, this is a special video for those subscribers who are having some problems with the report, so that's why I'm going to talk about this. Okay, so first of all, let me give you the review first. So you can say that, that it's 21 right now. Right now on the 21st, these trades are triggered and there's working. So no results for now till now, but yesterday results are 7.50, 7.50, 7.50, 7.50, and this on. Okay, so overall, if we talk about the profit, then the profit has reached up to 5222.18. So guys, overall, as per the deposit, that's 28867, then the profit is very handsome if you compare it with the deposit ratio. So basically guys, this is a smaller account till now, so we are trying to grow it on a further basis also. So we will use this expert advisor in future on a big account too. So right now it's a smaller account, so we are still, still testing this EA. So overall we are testing this EA from 9th of January, and it is giving us very good results. Okay guys, I'm going to talk about the scenario here, that whenever you see such scenario that for example 240 is the loss, so do not get confused with this, because I have seen many scenarios like this, but after that it do hedges some sort of trading, and then it reopens some trading, and then it clears everything. So now I'm going to talk about the manual trading with this EA. Now for example, look at this trade. Look at the one that I want to talk about, EuroCAD. Okay, yes, look at this trade. So sell position was taken at the lower bond, at the lower ratios here, but what happened? The market has went up. Okay, so what it has done, so sell position, that's manually taken by me. Okay, but it has opened two further sell positions and one buy positions. This is the very good thing that that this EA works with buy and sell position. This is the only trade that I have taken by myself. Okay, so guys, now what to do with this? So let me tell you. Basically, it is late at my end, because otherwise I have missed the move. So now look at this move here. So I have taken you to the trading system that I am giving to my subscribers. So guys, look at the trading system. What happened yesterday? EuroCAD dropped, it entered into the lower right boundary, then after that the market started to gain into the upward momentum. Now guys, when you see that one of your trade is going into loss, like for example that's at 98.65, so what you can do, you, as per the trading system, if you find any opportunities that that the market is going into another direction, like if it was into the sell position but the market is going into other ways, so you can manually do some sort of trading using this trading system. So what to do here? Take a buy position. Simply, it was a very simple trade, because if you look at the number of candles, the number of candles were straight up and the market was moving straight up, and now it entered into the top red boundary where we are supposed to take the sell positions, but only once once bearish candles appear here. Otherwise we will not take any kind of sell positions. So overall guys, there was a chance to take a buy position here, but it was late at my end, so I missed that chance. So I'm most looking into the selling opportunities, but in the morning, if you talk about, and in the late night, there were buying opportunities on euro Canadian dollar. So guys, this is the video that I have made on for those subscribers who are using this EA, so that they must know that how to do manual trading using this EA. Overall, there is no requirement for the manual trading. If you leave the trades open, then surely they will be, look, there are not 100% guarantees in the forex market, but overall experience till now that they will be back into your zones, and it will automatically clear your all trades. But overall, you know that this is expert advisor, this is the automated system. It can lag somewhere, and we are still testing it, and we are testing it from 9th of January, as I mentioned earlier. So be a little bit, you need to be careful with this EA. So that's why I advise that whenever you feel that you are stuck somewhere, then you can do some sort of manual trading. Like for example, look at this hourly candle. This hourly candle was closed above the middle dotted line. You can see that there is a blue dotted middle line here. So this trading system says when the market closes above the middle dotted line on the 1 hour chart, then you can take buy positions, and the market has went up. So guys, this is for the manual trading tip that I have given you for so that you can also do some sort of manual trading if you want. Otherwise, there is it's not necessary. If you have a good equity, then your loss is less, then no problem, you should let the trades on and it will keep on working, and let the okay. One more thing guys, when it stops taking any kind of trades, then you need to close and restart your MT4 terminal. It will go and restart the MT4 terminal. Then you will feel that the market will take some trades, or you can close these charts by right clicking on them and then reopen them and with do fresh setting, and then it will take some trades. Okay guys, now I'm going to take you towards the mini account that we are using and testing it. Okay guys, now let's talk about the results here on the yesterday 6.77, 31.53, 31.53, 6.77, 6.77, 6.55. If we go back, and then you can see two losses here, then 6.75, 6.75, and if we find further reviews, $82, and then when we go back, then still it's in a complete row of profits. You can see it's a complete row of profits, and before that we were testing it on 0.01, then we switched ourselves to 0.30. so guys, for now what I will say, if you have investment up to $1,000, then you should use 0.01 minimum, but $1,000 is not very much enough for the forex trading market, so be careful with that. If you have a good equity, then go with 0.01, and otherwise if you are using the standard account, then you can use the 0.30 lot size. So overall guys, you can see the profit on the testing account is also 493, whereas I have also shown you the live results. The live results, now you can see that the loss is reduced till now, because from the red boundary the market is getting a little slight drop here. If I zoom that one, sorry, how to okay, right now I have no option here. Okay, fine. Anyhow, this is all about the reviews of these expert advisor. Overall guys, this is working very fine at my end, and I have shown you the profits from the account history. That's working very fine. So guys, if you are interested in getting this expert advisor, if you are interested in getting my forex trading signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that I was talking about, the red boundaries, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, or guys, the last service, that how I prepare the signals report, like this is the signal report that I have sent to the subscribers in the morning, that 21st of January, and this consists of 10 signals a day. So if you want to know that how I come to know about these signals in the morning, then it's based on a trick, and I teach this trick for $700. So if you want to learn that one, then for all this you need to send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Okay guys, please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share this analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.